Hi, Travis. Yo! What up, dude?
Oh man, I need to pee so bad.
Dude,
It was such a bad idea going non-stop. Where am I going?
Straight.
To the spot?
Yeah.
Man, you got here for the best part of the song.
Fuck yeah. My Travis faves. Look how cute that is.
She's living the good life.
Momo, you're loving the bag, eh? Just woke up. Hey. Packing up. Trav here, spent the night. Slept good? Yeah, you did. I don't even know the date offhand, but doing some stuff today. Should be fun. Exactly what I want to see.
Monday the 16th.
Trav's here. Running late.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. I don't want to say too much too soon, I guess, but I don't know. We've been working hard, planning some shit, and today's the day we're actually doing it. Hey, coffee wheel. On the way there. Early morning. Early morning. Right after this? I can make it. Oh my god! We're here. Hey. Check it. Just fits. Oh, I'm excited. Making a tea, gotta keep the voice in check. Snacks. Gushers. Oh yeah. Hi kitty. Get back. Wish we could catch a snowflake. Also, wear your mask. Yeah, buddy. Went to bed last night and no snow. Wake up, it's fucking Christmas.
Winter Wonderland.
Rain, snow, sleet. Is this sleet? Slush? Is this slush? Sleet?
Sleet and schlail?
Rain, snow,
Slush?
hail.
Sleet.
No matter. Yo, fuck winter tires. Get some donut tires. And a vanilla dip donut, please. Vital.
Do you want anything? I'll get it.
Just resetting up. Tracking some more songs. Sugar Shack. So fucking sick. There's my baby. Oh yeah.
Scorpio, my Aries. Scorpio, my Aries. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that made no sense.
Move over into this spot so the cat doesn't take it. So I can get the ultimate cat in the picture.
Why is this harder?
We're done? I thought. Sick. That was awesome. I saved you the last bite. Woo! I'm strong.
Probably with that look in your eyes.
buddy.
do is if you could when I turn on the distortion, it goes.
That's awesome, man. Best.
Hey, hi. It's Friday. Oh my god, a dog. A cute little doggy. Bark, bark. Yo. Okay, sorry. So it's a few days later after we finished recording, and I'm finally editing the vlog, and I like deleted like the last little chunk of the video, trying to make space on my phone. Just wanted to end the video, I guess, on a better note. I just really wanted to say like thank you so much to Wade and to all the guys at the Sugar Shack, Kyle and Joey. Just like thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for you know, working with us and making these songs come to life, and just giving us such a great experience. And you know, like Wade, like buddy, just like thank you so much, bro, for coming down here and just making it happen for us. And like really, I don't know, we're like Trav and I were both like we're just so excited. Like we're so stoked for you guys to hear these songs. Like I think they'll be pretty good. Hopefully, I don't know. It's hard. You know, music is a whole thing, but all over the place. I'm just really excited, and I'm really excited for you to hear these songs, and hopefully you like them. I think they're definitely sounding really fucking cool, and just so stoked. So seriously, like, I already said it, but I have to say it again. Like, just like, you know, Wade, Kyle, Joey, like, dudes, like, thank you just so much, man. Like, thank you for helping, like, make these songs that I've been playing for, you know, months and months in my room. And like, thank you for making them come to life. And I'm just, I don't know, all this hard work, all this, you know, all this time investing in like trying to make music and trying to make these songs, like it's all finally coming together, and just so excited. So yeah, I don't know, that's all I really gotta say. Yeah, so we have new music coming out hopefully soon, and you're following the band, like thank you so much. I know we're just like starting off, and I don't know, we're working hard, and I think the hard work's really starting to pay off. So talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.